Hi everyone and welcome back to DidyToys channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet a volleyball keychain. We've already crocheted a soccer ball and a basketball. If you haven't seen the video yet, I'll leave a card with the link somewhere here. The pattern is quite easy, beginner friendly. You need just a little of yarn and some stuffing. And you can crochet it really fast, so it's a perfect idea for a beginner, or if you want to make something really quick and use little materials. I'll use 3 colors of yarn art jeans, 2mm crochet hook, scissors, a sewing needle, some fiber frill to stuff the ball, keychain ring, and pliers to make it a keychain. That's it! Let's start crocheting. Don't forget to follow, like, and comment. It helps a lot to promote my channel. Thank you! We need to crochet 3 similar parts using different color combinations. All the parts are crocheted following the same pattern, so I'll show you how to crochet the first one, and after that you'll crochet 2 more parts by yourself following the same pattern. First, I make a knot to start crocheting, and then a chain of 25 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So the chain is ready. Now we'll crochet into the chains, and we start crocheting from the second chain from the hook. So you need to skip the first chain and start crocheting into the second one, and we crochet a single crochet in each chain. So you'll get 24 single crochets for the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Round is ready. I'll make a chain to start in your row and turn. Now I'll crochet again a single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and finally 24. I don't finish crocheting the last single crochet because I want to change the color. I attach yellow thread and finish crocheting the last single crochet. Now I'll make a chain to start a new row and turn. Now I'll crochet 2 rounds of yellow, again a single crochet in each stitch, and I want to fasten the tail in the process. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can cut the tail now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and the last one, but I won't crochet it into the last single crochet of the previous row. I will crochet it into the chain we made to start the row, like this. This way the edge looks better. Now again a chain to start a new row and turn. Crochet 1 more row of yellow, a single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Now again we need to change the color. We make a chain to start the row and turn. Now again I will fasten the tail in the process. We crochet 2 more rounds of blue, a single crochet in each stitch as always. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will cut the tail. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and again the last one. I will crochet it into the chain we made to start the row. 24. The first part is almost ready. We need to crochet just one more row, a chain to start the row, and turn. Now again a single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and finally 24. The first piece is ready. I cut the thread leaving a tail for sewing and pull it through the loops to fasten. Now I'll weave in the shorter tail. First a knot to fasten, and then I insert the needle through the stitches to weave it in. The first detail is ready. Now you need to crochet one more using the same colors, blue, yellow, blue, and one detail using white and yellow. All the three parts are ready. Now we need just to sew them together and shape the ball. First we'll deal with these two parts. We need to connect the edges and sew them together. Now a knot to fasten, and weave in the yarn tail. Now the same for the second detail. The two parts are ready. Now we need to insert one of them through the other. Now the third part, we insert it through one of the two first. And we need to insert it again into the second edge. Now we need to sew the edges. Now a knot to fasten. And weave in the tail. Now I want to turn the white piece to hide the edge here. It's almost ready, we need to stuff the ball now. And you need to arrange these sides so it has a proper shape. So, the ball is ready. Let's attach the keychain ring to it. Your volleyball keychain is ready. Hope you've enjoyed crocheting it with me. Don't forget to follow, like and comment. Thanks for watching and see you!